Hi everyone, this is a quick video tutorial on how to find and use Proquest. So from the Mountain View High School Library homepage, you're going to click on Research. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to arrow down until you see the Proquest logo. If you're on campus, you can click on it and it'll take you straight through. If you're off campus, please remember the logins and passwords are located here on the left side. I'm on campus today, so I'm just going to click on Proquest, and it's going to take me straight through to the search features of the database. So there is a search bar, just like on all other databases. Today, I'm going to go ahead and type in elections and voting. And when I enter, I have 3.5 million results, which is far too many and really overwhelming. And so I need to narrow my search so that I really hone in on exactly that which I'm interested in. So on the left-hand side, there's a lot of ways you can do that. These are called limiters, and we're going to use a few really critical ones. The first most important one is we want to click that full text button because that makes sure that we actually have access to the article. And then because I want to do very high-end academic research today, I'm going to click on peer-reviewed and scholarly journal. And that alone narrows my search to 52,000, which is still a lot, but it's better than it was. Another way I always like to limit my search, particularly if it's around something very timely, like an election, is I want to make sure the date range is narrow and current. So I'm going to move this little bar here and narrow my search to the last 5 years and update my date range. And that narrows it even further to about 12,000. Still too many. You can play with these. There's a lot of different ways you can narrow, but the one that I want to show you is the subject search. And if you click here and then click on more, it opens up this window. And it gives you lots of things that you can include or exclude from your search, and then also the count of articles that are the result of that. So the more boxes you check, the more to include in your search, the larger your number of results will be. I'm particularly interested in the participation in the election. And so I'm going to arrow down and I'm going to actually click on include only articles that talk about participation, which is going to give me 422 articles. So from that original 3.5 million articles, I now have 422, and I'm going to look for the one that looks the most interesting to me. And I'm going to click on it. When I do that, it opens the full text article because that's what we said we wanted. But I recommend that you click on this abstract and details button because it's going to give you a paragraph abstract of like a quick summary of the article where you can really determine a lot about whether or not the article is going to support your research. If it does, then great. You go back into the full text and you use it. If it doesn't, you move back into your search and find a different article. There are also some other useful things here in the details, including other search terms that you can use, identifiers, titles, page numbers, that kind of stuff, as well as other suggested sources there on the right-hand side. If you decide that this is the right article for you, up here in the right-hand corner, there's tools to print, download the PDF, to copy the URL so that you can access it in the future, and also a really excellent citation tool that gives you lots of options for formatting so that you can have a fully formatted citation to copy and paste right into your works cited. So if you have any questions about how to access or use Proquest, please do come to the library. We're here to help you.